Hi and welcome to the Mount J teaching tool. I'm here to talk to you about bitmap images, as you may have heard from Jess telling us the introduction. I'm going to say what a bitmap image is. A bitmap image is made up of many pixels that offer many different colours. Each specific pixel can be a file, normally large because the computer has to store each pixel. Now, a pixel is all these little dots up in here. They make one big spot here, as you may see. So all these little bits here, so this bit here, full of all these dots, could make up that. How are bitmap images stored? Bitmaps, or raster images, are stored as a series of tiny dots called pixels. The pixels are miniature squares, and they have their own colours and their own arrange for the image. If you zoom on a bitmap image, you will be able to see a single pixel from a bitmap image. So as you may see, you zoom in, right here. So this little box here, as you may not see, comes in to this big box here. So they have zoomed in, that is zoomed in on there, which as you may see is all different colours, because it could be a hit size of all different colours. Okay? Now, I'm going to tell you a little about the disadvantages and the advantages of bitmap images. Bitmaps have two disadvantages in terms of the amount of digital storage. Bitmaps are memory intensive, and the higher the resolution, the larger file size. The other advantage with bitmap is when the images are enlarged and individual coloured squares become visible and the illusion of the smooth image is lost to the viewer. The pixelation makes the image look coarse. Now, I'm going to tell you the advantage. One of the advantages of using bitmap image is that it can be displayed in pictures resolutely. Bitmap images are made up out of pixels, which are basically a coloured dot, probably posing with different colours, as I just showed you in this one here. Dots next to each other will perform the illusion of one colour blending into another. Thus is the reason that you get more real-looking images using this format. Now, in every picture, they have got little pixels to make a big picture. Okay, now I'm going to just show you just a little thing to do with it. So say if I had this big box, a box here, okay, and I have all these little dots, like that, like dot to dots. You might do dot to dots, and if you're doing a love heart dot to dot, like that, it's like that, but with all miniature dots all in it, so it makes up one big love heart. Okay, but in here I might have that, and I might have a little bit of red coming down the side, and you could be making a rainbow, and it could actually be looking like a rainbow when you zoom out on it, and you could be making a nice little rainbow. Okay, as you may see over here, this is a bitmap image and a vector image too, but it's also a bitmap image because it's got all the little pixels and it makes one big smiley face. But as I said, this could also be a vector image. If you click vector, or if you've already seen it, you would understand why this is a vector image. So I'll let Madison explain how this is a vector image in the vector images. So thanks for listening and hope you enjoyed.